Audrey's ticklish. I'm doing it now. She's distracted by Daddy. There it goes. There's that laugh. She likes to play with all her toys now, and she can spin around 360 degrees, but she doesn't really jump still. Hi! Hello? Hello. Just a little jig. No crazy jumping. Hi. Just got a good flick of her wrist there. Ooh. Audrey May. Are you talking to your toys? Jump, jump! Yay! Yay! Oh my goodness. Ah! Oh yeah? Oh yeah? And I'm just gonna show you her yoga move. Come on, up. Show us. Show us yoga. Oh, that's the head off and the legs off. Good girl. One more time. One more time. Show us. Lift up. Up. Come on, show us.